welcome. I'm Heather and you're watching Prudent Media. Today we're meeting a Goan who's made a mark on the pageant stage in the UAE. Priyancka Naik was recently crowned Miss UAE International 2026. She also took home the title of Miss Fitness Queen. But what was it that inspired her to step outside of her comfort zone? What was her journey like? And what comes next? Let's find out. Priyancka, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you so much. And first of all, I would like to thank Prudent Media for having me here and giving me this opportunity to share this moment. It's especially connecting with the Goan audience. This feels amazing. Thank you so much.
We're very happy to be doing this. Congratulations again. Uh, can you tell us what went through your mind when they announced your name as Miss UAE International 2026?
Honestly, it was a moment I don't think I can fully put into words. There was a lot of emotion and excitement. When I heard my name crowned as Miss UE, the journey, the whole journey came in front of me. The preparations, the nervousness, the hard work, that came together to bring this moment.
You also won Miss Fitness Queen. How special was that for you, given your passion for fitness?
Oh my God, this was amazing because it's been years I have been working towards my fitness goals, and I have been creating a lot of content regarding fitness and inspiring people. So it has been a really amazing journey.
Did you expect to win when you walked into the competition?
Actually, no, I haven't expected like that. But for me, it was just focusing on myself, not comparing myself to anyone else. For me, it was just concentrating and focusing on my goals and giving my best.
Nice. Now, you have been living in the UAE for about 12 years. You have a corporate career. What made you decide to, kind of step out of that comfort zone and give pageantry a try?
Yeah. I always wanted to challenge myself. I spent years focusing on my career and fitness goal. It was time to step outside of my comfort zone and to explore my another side of myself. So pageantry gave me that opportunity to transform myself, to work on my communication, personality, building up that confidence. And ultimately, I realized that crown is not just how you look, but it's all about how you represent and inspire others.
That's very true. But was there a moment where you said, okay, I'm going to do this? Did you have to convince yourself, your family?
Actually, I did not inform my family first. It was all about just giving a try. First I just gave my name and they called me and I got shortlisted. Then I had like one or two rounds. They just evaluated me on my communication, the confidence, the how I represent myself. So that was it, and I got shortlisted. So after that, the journey started, and yeah, and here I am.
Was it something you always wanted to try, or was it just, a spontaneous decision?
Yeah, it was completely a spontaneous thing. I never in my in my dreams I had like pageantry thing to attempt, but this was something really special which will always remain. And yeah, it's a big thing for me now.
So take us behind the scenes. You said there were 12 finalists, there were 3 rounds, there was a talent round, there were 3 different ramp rounds. What was most challenging for you?
I think the most challenging part was the talent round because every contestant is amazing, they are very talented, and it's not really like Indians who are representing, it's like different nationalities.
From different
So
parts of the
I think
world?
this was, yeah, different parts of the world. So it was amazing. Everybody was showcasing different talents, and for me, the most important part was to showcase my fitness thing, which was amazing. I think that what I represent, and that was one of the reason for me to participate the pageant. To create that awareness of fitness and inspiring others.
So, what did you present?
I was working on my calisthenics, like a
Okay.
headstand, those parts. So I made a 3 minute talent round where I have represented like my fitness goal, like fitness activities, what I do in the gym, a headstand, which I was a challenging one, which I had to practice for months to balance that headstand.
Okay.
So that was a very challenging part, which I beautifully represented, showcased during the talent round.
Did you also maybe discover a side of yourself that you never seen before or you never thought you had?
Yes, for me, being on that stage, being confident, that's what I discovered because for me, I had that stage fear, and being on that ramp walk, being on that stage, presenting my talent round, the ramp walk, the Q&A round, it was just amazing. And after that, I started feeling more confident about myself. I think that is one thing, getting more confident about myself that I have been discovered.
Did you think it would be any different? I mean, did you have any misconceptions or preconceptions rather about, what a pageant would be like?
Uh, Actually, I thought like, pageant is more about beauty. That's what the concept I had before. But when I joined this pageantry, I came to know that pageant is more beyond the appearance. It's more about how you represent yourself, and create that positive impact, in everyone's life. So I think that was one thing I had the conception like clear, like, it's not just about beauty, it's about your confidence, communication, and the personality that you show.
And I think, after you do something like this, you end up being a lot more confident. You discover sides of yourselves that you never knew you had.
Yes, exactly. I think this is such a beautiful feeling. I even can't tell you how confident and how I feel. I cannot just put out in words, but it feels amazing.
That's wonderful. Now, you've spoken about fitness being, this huge part of your life. What was it about fitness? Was it about staying healthy, or is it about, looking good? Is it the discipline of it all?
Yeah. People think like fitness is about having a certain body, but it's not about that. Fitness changes your like mindset to be disciplined, consistent, that you take it in your everyday life. So I think people should focus more on the fitness, because I see busy professionals where they don't exercise regularly, because if you can give 8 hours of your work to being in the office, so why just you can't spend 1 hour for yourself? So it's more like for the busy professional, as I'm into corporate world. And so I just wanted to create an awareness that you can spend just 1 hour for yourself, and and have a healthy lifestyle.
For someone watching, or perhaps someone like me who would like to stay fit or get fit and doesn't know where to start, what would be one piece of advice that you can give them?
So one piece of advice I can give them is like, you can just start doing a normal physical, any kind of activity. It might be a walk, it might be a run. So just give yourself that 30 minutes every day. Make fitness your part of everyday's life. So, once you do that, once you stay consistent, disciplined, automatically that becomes a habit. I know that future self will definitely thank you.
I think I'm going to go take a walk after this interview. Priyanka,
Yes.
you're from Goa, you're from Chinchinim,
Yes.
which is in South Goa. What's
Yeah.
one thing you miss most about Goa?
Oh my God. Goa is home. It's part of my identity. And whichever part I'm in the world. I will always be connected to it. The most important part I miss is the food. Yes, I
What's
think
your
that
favorite? What's
taste.
your favorite?
I think I love chicken, like chicken shakuti and the crabs. So that is one thing I really miss. Whenever I'm in Goa, that's the first thing I have.
Do you have somewhere special that you visit every time you're down?
It's
This is like one must do.
No, it's like mom's food always at
Okay,
home.
they're in Goa.
I always, yes. So I always prefer eating at home and having less food outside because that affects somewhere down the line your
Do you
fitness
cook in the
goal.
UAE? Do you live alone?
Yes, I do cook here. I prepare my own meals here and take to the office, my breakfast, my lunch, my dinner,
So
so
healthy all
everything
around,
at
I
home.
guess.
Yes, yes. I think that shows, that's how you create your fitness thing, staying consistent, discipline. And fitness is not just about exercise, it's about like what you eat. It shows up to your body, like 80% what you eat and 20% of your exercise. So that's how you create a healthy body.
I've heard all of that. I'm yet to, imbibe all of it for myself. How much of a Goan girl is still there in you after 12 years in the UAE?
Uh, I think Kovan girl.
Yeah, how Goan are
Oh,
you still?
I would say in terms of food, on Sunday, uh, I make sure I prepare like a Goan pulao, all these
Okay,
things. So yeah, so that's where I connect myself. I
that's our
miss that being
standard.
a
Every
Goan.
Sunday there's pulao and chicken.
Yeah, pulao and chicken. Yeah.
Does your Goan upbringing influence who you are today? Did you get a chance to showcase Goa on your pageant stage, perhaps?
Um, Coming from Goa, I have always carried that warmth and simplicity within me. So I think that on the stage, with the other contestant, it has definitely shown there where people have come and, they have told me about how simple, even though I'm very like modernly dressed or something, how simple a person I am. So I think that reflects because I've always carried that uh, warmth and the simplicity with me that comes from Goa.
That's wonderful. You live in this very mixed different worlds. You have your Goan heart. You're living in very glitzy UAE. You're a corporate professional. You're now a pageant winner. What do you think defines you the best?
I think the person I have become, after the pageant, yeah, definitely, it has given me a different uh, aspect in life, which I have created. So yeah, after the pageant, it has become a very different. I have been more confident, and the person I have become, it's very important for me. So, and just to showcase the things I have, just to be that. But still, I'm like simple, grounded. Everything I have kept the same.
It's wonderful how our experiences define us, isn't it? Every day you learn something new, you take away something new. You said you wanted to inspire others. Um, what would you like other women or other young girls watching this to take away from your journey?
I would like to just say one thing that to believe in themselves, never get scared to get out of your comfort zone, always because this, it will give you a different aspect in life. You will discover a better version of yourself and always try to create your own identity rather than following someone else. That's what I have to say.
That's wonderful. Is there anything that you would do differently if you had to do the whole thing again?
No, I mean, nothing.
You're pretty
change.
happy with how it turned out. So
Yes,
you
I
won
think
you
it,
won the pageant
yeah, I'm
after all.
happy. Yeah, yes.
Do you see yourself, doing more pageants? I mean, I know this was your first, but do you see
Mhm.
yourself perhaps, doing a bit of modeling, doing more pageants?
Not maybe pageants, but modeling as in like I do fitness and fashion. So I think if I get like I get a lot of opportunities regarding like the fashion thing, but I don't see myself participating in any of the pageants soon. It's more about I want to keep my niche as a fitness influencer, creating contents regarding fitness. So I want to keep that as a main thing.
Okay. Is there something you would like to say to, any woman that's watching this who wants to get out of their comfort zone but is scared to do so?
I think I just want to say that don't get scared. Just give your best. Be humble. Work hard. Take care of yourself, and just go for it. That's it. I have to say.
Priyanka, thank you so much for joining us. It was lovely having you here with us.
Thank you so much for having me on Prudent Media. Thank you once again.
Congratulations on your win, on this wonderful achievement, and for everything that lies ahead.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And to all of you watching, thank you for joining us. I'm Heather, and you're watching Prudent Media.